Section 1. Wake up your muscles. The importance of a good warm-up. A good warm-up is like a friendly wake-up call for your muscles. It tells your body, hey, we're about to do some awesome exercise, so get ready. A proper warm-up prepares your body for the demands of your workout, from gentle yoga to intense weightlifting. Think of it as setting the stage for a fantastic performance. Why is warming up so important? Well, it increases your heart rate and blood flow, delivering oxygen to your muscles and literally warming them up. This helps your muscles become more flexible and ready to move, reducing the risk of injuries. Imagine trying to stretch a cold rubber band. It might snap. Warming up is like gently stretching that rubber band, making it more pliable and less likely to break. A good warm-up also primes your nervous system for action. It's like sending a signal to your brain saying, okay, let's focus and get those muscles working. This improves your coordination and reaction time, helping you perform at your best. Think of it as sharpening your senses and getting your head in the game. So before you jump into any workout, remember to give your body a loving warm-up. It's a small investment of time that pays off big time, making your workout safer, more effective, and much more enjoyable. Section 2. Dynamic stretching. Get your body moving. Dynamic stretching is like a graceful dance that awakens your muscles and joints. It involves moving your body through a range of motions, gradually increasing your reach and speed. Picture yourself doing arm circles, leg swings, or torso twists. These are all examples of dynamic stretches. Unlike static stretching, where you hold a stretch for an extended period, dynamic stretching keeps your body in motion. This helps to improve your flexibility and range of motion, making it easier to perform exercises correctly and efficiently. Imagine a swimmer doing arm circles before diving into the pool. They're preparing their shoulder joints for the fluid movements of swimming. Dynamic stretching also activates your muscles and gets your blood flowing, preparing your body for the workout ahead. It's like gently waking up your muscles and telling them, hey, it's time to move. This increased blood flow also delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, fueling them for action. So, before you start your workout, incorporate some dynamic stretches into your routine. A few minutes of arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists can make a world of difference, helping you move with greater ease and grace. Remember, your body is meant to move, so let's get it moving. Section 3. Cardio warm-up. Get your heart pumping. Cardio warm-up is like a gentle revving of your body's engine, getting your heart pumping and your blood flowing. It involves light to moderate intensity aerobic activities like jogging, jumping jacks, or cycling. Picture yourself jogging on the spot or skipping rope. These are all examples of cardio warm-ups. A cardio warm-up gradually elevates your heart rate and body temperature, preparing your cardiovascular system for more intense activity. It's like warming up a car engine before a long drive. You wouldn't want to hit the gas pedal without giving the engine a chance to warm up. Cardio warm-ups also help to increase blood flow to your muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients that fuel your workout. This improves your endurance and stamina, allowing you to exercise for longer periods without feeling fatigued. Imagine a marathon runner doing a light jog before the race. They're priming their cardiovascular system for the long run ahead. So before you dive into a strenuous workout, incorporate a 5 to 10 minute cardio warm-up into your routine. This will help your body gradually adapt to the increasing demands of your workout, making it easier to push your limits and achieve your fitness goals. Remember, a well-prepared body is a powerful body. Section 4. Sport-specific warm-up. Tailor your routine. Just like a tailor crafts a suit to fit a specific person, a sport-specific warm-up is designed to prepare your body for the unique demands of your chosen activity. It involves movements and exercises that mimic the actions you'll be performing during your workout or sport. For example, a tennis player might focus on dynamic stretches that target their shoulders, arms, and legs, preparing them for the quick movements and powerful serves involved in the game. A swimmer, on the other hand, might incorporate arm circles and leg swings to loosen up their joints and improve their range of motion in the water. By tailoring your warm-up to your specific activity, you can better prepare your muscles and joints for the movements you'll be performing. This reduces the risk of injuries and enhances your performance, allowing you to move with greater efficiency and power. So, before you hit the tennis court, the swimming pool, or any other sports field, take a few minutes to do a sport-specific warm-up. It's like giving your body a personalized pep talk, saying, hey, we're about to do this specific activity, so let's get ready. Section 5. Warm-up for strength training. Prepare your muscles. Before you lift those heavy weights, it's crucial to prepare your muscles for the challenge. A warm-up for strength training involves light cardio, dynamic stretches, and lighter versions of the exercises you'll be performing. Start with a few minutes of light cardio like jogging or jumping jacks to get your blood pumping and your muscles warm. Then, move on to dynamic stretches that target the muscle groups you'll be working on. For example, if you're doing squats, incorporate leg swings and hip circles to prepare your lower body. Finally, do a few reps of the exercises you'll be performing, but with lighter weights or no weights at all. This helps to activate your muscles and familiarize your body with the movements, making it easier to lift heavier weights later on. A proper warm-up for strength training not only reduces your risk of injuries, but also enhances your performance, allowing you to lift heavier weights and achieve better results. It's like giving your muscles a sneak peek of what's to come, saying, "Get ready, we're about to lift some serious weight." Like a seasoned chef sharing their secret ingredients, fitness experts have valuable tips to elevate your warm-up routine. These insights can help you make the most of your warm-up, ensuring your body is primed for peak performance. Firstly, personalize your warm-up based on your fitness level and the intensity of your workout. If you're new to exercise, start with a gentle warm-up and gradually increase the intensity as you get fitter. For high-intensity workouts, opt for a longer and more thorough warm-up to prepare your body for the demands ahead. Secondly, prioritize dynamic stretches over static stretches in your warm-up. Dynamic stretches involve continuous movement, making them ideal for warming up your muscles and joints. Static stretches, on the other hand, involve holding a stretch for an extended period, which can actually decrease your power output if done before a workout. Finally, listen to your body and adjust your warm-up accordingly. If you're feeling stiff or sore, spend a little extra time warming up. If you're short on time, prioritize dynamic stretches that target the muscle groups you'll be using most during your workout. By incorporating these expert tips into your warm-up routine, you can ensure your body is optimally prepared for any workout, from gentle yoga to intense weightlifting. Remember, a well-crafted warm-up is a key ingredient for a successful workout. Just like a skilled navigator avoids treacherous waters, it's essential to steer clear of common warm-up mistakes that can hinder your workout. By recognizing these pitfalls, you can ensure your warm-up is both effective and safe, setting the stage for a successful workout. One common mistake is skipping the warm-up altogether. Rushing into a workout without properly preparing your body is like driving a car without warming up the engine. It's a recipe for disaster. Always allocate time for a warm-up, even if it's just a few minutes of dynamic stretches. Another mistake is focusing solely on static stretching. While static stretching has its place in a cool-down routine, it's not ideal for warming up your muscles before a workout. Dynamic stretches, which involve continuous movement, are more effective for preparing your body for action. Finally, avoid overexerting yourself during the warm-up. The goal is to gradually elevate your heart rate and body temperature, not to fatigue yourself before the main workout even begins. Listen to your body and adjust the intensity of your warm-up accordingly. By steering clear of these common warm-up mistakes, you can ensure your body is properly prepared for any workout, minimizing your risk of injuries and maximizing your performance. Remember, a well-executed warm-up is the foundation of a successful workout. Your body is a wise and intuitive guide, always communicating its needs and limits. When it comes to warming up, it's crucial to tune into your body's signals and adjust your routine accordingly. If you're feeling particularly stiff or sore, spend a little extra time warming up, focusing on the areas that need attention. Gentle movements and dynamic stretches can help to alleviate stiffness and prepare your muscles for action. On days when you're feeling energized and ready to go, you might not need as much warm-up time. However, it's still essential to do a few dynamic stretches to get your blood flowing and your muscles primed for action. If you're new to exercise or recovering from an injury, start with a gentle warm-up and gradually increase the intensity as your body adapts. It's better to err on the side of caution and avoid pushing yourself too hard too soon. By listening to your body's cues and adjusting your warm-up accordingly, you can ensure your workouts are both effective and safe, helping you achieve your fitness goals while minimizing your risk of injuries. Remember, your body is your best guide. Trust its wisdom. A well-crafted warm-up is like a magical key that unlocks the door to a successful workout. It's a simple yet powerful practice that prepares your body for the demands of exercise, from gentle yoga to intense weightlifting. By incorporating a warm-up into your fitness routine, you're investing in your health and well-being, setting the stage for optimal performance and reducing your risk of injuries. Remember, a good warm-up should elevate your heart rate and body temperature, improve your flexibility and range of motion, and activate your muscles and nervous system. It's about preparing your body for action, like a musician tuning their instrument before a concert. So before you embark on your next workout, take a few minutes to warm up your body. Whether you choose dynamic stretching, light cardio, or a combination of both, make it a ritual that sets you up for success. Embrace the power of a good warm-up, and watch your fitness journey soar to new heights.